All right, so I got a business delivery. These deliveries to these little mini mart kind of areas. This is the whole reason I get up 20 minutes, 30 minutes early every morning and pre-plan my route. More important when I'm driving the Class A, but with the Class A you couldn't have pulled in here. You would have had to deliver from the street. And so why the pre-planning is important is I already knew before I got to the store today what side of the truck I wanted to be loaded on, just in case I had to deliver from the street. So little things like that in your pre-planning of your day can save you a lot of time and hassle, especially if you're in a busier market where there's traffic or more to negotiate. Fortunately, I'm in a smaller town out here, so either way it wouldn't have been terrible, but still, pre-planning it and getting it on the right side of the truck would have saved me some time and hassle. But this is a real easy drop. They just got some little dry wood, little lumber, a little bit of stucco, and just one quick drop right in front of their business. And this was an 8 to 10 time window that I am on time for. Hey, which way do you want to set this down? So I can set it down long ways so you can shoot it in straight instead of sideways, and you don't have to like turn with it.
That's exactly what I was thinking.
Okay. I've done a few jobs myself. I know how I like it. Alright, just try to make this as easy as possible for them. Should be a pretty good spot right here. Right between the parking bumps. Is that good? All right. Perfect is good. I just got to get a couple pictures in case you're missing something. Everything's does it look like everything you ordered?
The leaves.
You got two different types too. You got multi-light.
So this is all the same.
Are they?
I mean, are they the same size?
They're the same size, but the ones are actually easier to work with. They're a little thicker. The bottom ones are a little thicker. That's all I used to do. These ones are very easy to put up. It's heavy.
Okay.
So, but you know, if you want to get what you ordered, that's why I'm taking the pictures.
Oh, they're halfway.
Oh.
See, there's half inch and 5/8.
Yeah, no, there was this one.
So use what you can,
Okay.
and then if you don't want to use the other ones, we can do an exchange.
The problem is the guy's been.
Is he?
Yeah.
Well, you want to take what you can get now, because I can't break this open, and I can't get what you want. So, you know what I mean?
So.
que si no puedes decirme, no, yo no puedo hablar.
Wait, hold on, don't cut it.
Oh, no.
Oh, never mind. Yes, go ahead. Take a picture.
So that's what I'm saying, you know, you go inside and just check the cost, as long as you
Well, yeah, so actually the half inches are cheaper, so they charge me for all 5
so
inches.
what I'm saying is you money back.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, you're still using half, you know what I mean? It's not that,
Okay.
you know, the honest, hopefully the honest sale on that part.
What store did you order out of? Okay, yeah, I picked this up out of, this came from, Bench Garage Store.
And like who would I call?
I just called the service desk or manager.
At Ranch Garage or
Call your Palm Springs store, and then here's your order number right here. So give them the order number, your name, and then they can look up my pictures.
Oh, they got it.
So they can see exactly what I delivered.
At least get your money back.
So they'll be able to see all of this, scan my notes, so put it there for you. Okay? And that's it. But, I'm going to submit it now. And so when you go, it should be enough. Yeah, bye. For you. All right.
Can you put customer date for 5 minutes? I have
That's weird. They split it like that. They might have actually put it a different split. You didn't do the order in separate. You did all at once.
Yeah, I did.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, you're all set. Just give me a call. My name's David. And then we'll call.
All right, thanks, David.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it.
All right. Well, it was supposed to be an easy drop off, but they sent the customer out half of the drywall the wrong side, so I'm not sure why. But all I could do was make notes and take pictures. So they could either accept it and get money back because the one's more expensive than the other, or they could exchange it. So that's between them and Home Depot at this point. You just cover yourself on your end. That's why pictures are important in notes. So that's it for this one. And like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And give me a comment if you like. And I'll catch you on the next one.